I'm Michelle Smith, the instructor for Enhancing Writing Instruction in the Digital Age. This video is an overview of the syllabus of the mini course designed to enhance the writing instruction skill set of high school teachers in grades 9 through 12. The target audience is English language arts teachers who work with struggling or reluctant secondary writers, particularly in high schools with dual enrollment programs. The course is designed as a hybrid how-to format, emphasizing hands-on activities and collaborative lesson planning. Module 1 will focus on grammar and writing instruction to enhance academic writing performance. Module 2 covers the ethical integration of AI tools for providing feedback on student writing. And Module 3 provides strategies for engaging reluctant and struggling writers. Additional modules cover culturally responsive writing instruction, collaborative analysis of student writing, and peer collaboration and feedback. Course activities include online discussions, error analysis, lesson workshops, peer review, AI exploration, feedback simulation, ethical debates, and case studies. Assessment will include discussion rubrics.